Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will cover accordion block. And one thing to notice here, accordion block is not under, we do not have that code base for boilerplate, but it is available. So what we need to do is first, let's try something. So I'll just open this accordion documentation, which is already there in Adobe documentation. And if you see the content, what it says, we just need to, again the same thing, we need to create a table. Header should be accordion, and then we can give text and then value which we want to show. By the way, how accordion looks is something like that, this, where we can see the heading, and once we click on that we can see the accordion body. That is how accordion works, right? So first what we will do, in my in my document I'll create a table. I'll insert a table and I will have maybe 3 rows. First let's merge it, merge cells, and we need to give it name accordion, right? And here we have heading 1, why it's bold. Let's not make it bold. Value 1, value 2, 3, 2, 3, heading 2 and 3. Let's see what happens. I have just added this content and I will preview it. After preview, we'll see if we see, the div, the accordion block is added, but of course the extra classes are not added because those are coming from the code, the JS code. This is what I mean, the extra classes. For example, this is the live one. If we see, there are extra classes. Sorry, I should inspect. So for example, this one, accordion item label, this is not coming in, it's just emptative. Okay, so what we need to do is, first we will see let's see the code of it. Let's open the code, and then we need one CSS and one JS file. Now we already have the checkout code. What we'll do, we'll just create this is how I like to do. So we'll just create accordion, and we need to create a CSS accordion, yeah. So the JS and CSS are here. Now what I will do, I'll just copy paste. This is JS, CSS. I'll just copy. This is CSS. I'll copy it and I will open the CSS. Done. I'll open the JS and JS also I'll copy paste. Done. So I copy pasted. Now I need to commit my changes. I'll go to these are the changes. just getting my changes. Changes are pushed, and also here I mean on my branch I have pushed the changes, and on my local also I should see the changes. But let's first, I'll go here, I'll refresh this page, right? And of course it won't work because this is main and the changes are there in my feature branch. So I need to change it to my feature. Yes, so we have just seen how quick it was. What we have done, we have just created a new block which was already there. We just copy pasted that code, we just pushed our changes to our feature branch, and that's it. I mean the changes were just instantly there in that my feature branch. Now if we want to achieve it on the main branch, we just need to raise that PR to main branch, approve it, get it approved, and then the changes would be available on main branch as well. Okay, same thing we can do for, let's try. So same thing we can do for maybe carousel as well. Let's see what is carousel. I'll just open carousel documentation, and it says carousel will look like this. Yeah, multiple images we can have, etc. Okay, fine. So see content in document, let's see the content, and this is the code. Content wise we should have this. Maybe I can just copy paste. I'll just copy this, the whole thing. This is my carousel, copy it, go here, and I don't want accordion now, I want this carousel, right? First let me just to try, I will just preview it, and I should check on main. Yeah, and it is breaking because the code is not there, and I have opened the code as well, right? So let me close this one, and carousel, simple. Again, what I will do, I will go inside my blocks. This time I will create carousel. So it is actually very quick. Carousel, the code, and I'll refresh this. I should see carousel here. Where is my carousel? Accordion cards, carousel, yeah. And I'll open the JS and CSS file. I'll go back here, carousel, the CSS, JS, CSS file. Oh, okay. So this is the CSS file, carousel CSS, done. Carousel JS, done. Push the changes, done. And what we just need to do is, instead of main, it should be on my feature, of course, because the changes we pushed to on my feature branch, that is the feature branch I was using. Just hit it, and yes, we have a beautiful carousel. Okay, that's it in this video. Thank you so much for watching.